Tell me I'm not the only one who's always in a rush, who never has time to properly do their hair, and who would love a 90s blowout that you can do at home without having to do 20 different steps. Well, I finally figured out how to do just that, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get those perfect curls at home and those waves for an effortless at-home blowout for yourself. So I'm calling this tutorial my lazy girl beauty routine. It's also going to be a tutorial that's perfect for those of you who easily burn yourself when curling your hair. So this is going to be a great alternative. And it's really great for those who don't know how to curl their hair. So this is going to be a great tutorial to show you a great way to curl your hair. Or it's for those of you who simply want beautiful curls and that blowout look that actually lasts. So if you've always found curling your hair difficult, this tutorial is going to be super helpful today. And first off, we're going to be using this new Leifen AutoCurl. Now, I'm a huge fan of Leifen hairstyling tools, and I am actually obsessed with their blow dryer. It has completely transformed my hair because it dries my hair so quickly, but it doesn't burn or damage it. It actually leaves your hair looking so silky and shiny after every use. So I do have another video though on that blow dryer from them, so I'll link that down below. But I recently did pick up their new Leifen AutoCurl hair curler. And because I really wanted to create that effortless 90s blowout look at home without having to use a bunch of different tools, and this looked like it would be a great alternative, and it did not disappoint. So one thing I love about this, and that's why I picked it up, is because it uses smart heat control technology, just like Leifen's blow dryer, and it does help to prevent excessive heat damage while still giving your hair a beautiful shine and smoothness and gorgeous curls. So that's one of the biggest reasons that I really wanted to try this. And I'm also excited because I picked up their new vanity mirror. Wait till I show this to you. Now, before we jump into the hair tutorial, I have to show this to you because it's become one of my favorite beauty accessories pretty much ever. It actually makes doing your hair or your makeup so much easier because it's completely hands-free and cordless, so you could use it anywhere. The lighting is gorgeous, and since it's lightweight and it folds up easily, you can take this with you to travel, tuck it away in your bag, and it's super easy to bring with you wherever you go and get the most gorgeous, beautiful light to do your makeup. I'll actually attach my phone to this with one of those MagSafe suction mounts, and it's perfect for filming videos, FaceTime calls, or Zoom meetings because the lighting is so flattering. It helps my makeup to come out so much better too because I can easily see everything when I'm getting ready. And nothing about the vanity mirror is I love how easy it is to adjust, so you can get the perfect angle to do your makeup. So it's actually kind of acting as a mini ring light for me too. So it's just so amazing. But now let's get into what I'm calling my lazy girl effortless blowout routine. Okay, so now personally, I like to do my makeup before my hair. And as you can see here in this video, I've already finished my makeup using the vanity mirror. And okay, so now it's time for the hair. With the Leifen Auto Curl, you can choose either the manual mode or the auto mode. And then you go ahead and select the temperature based on your hair type. So they do have a temperature setting for fine hair, one for normal hair, and one for coarse hair. And another thing I love is that the auto curl uses smart heat control technology, like I mentioned earlier, similar to the blow dryer, as I mentioned, which does again help prevent too much excessive heat on your hair while styling. So to begin, you want to wait about 50 seconds for it to finish preheating. The lighting ring pulses while heating, and once you hear one beep, you'll know it's ready. So before you start doing your hair though, it's super important to brush your hair to remove any tangles. Then you want to divide your hair into 4 to 6 sections. And so today I'm going to use the auto mode. And so you simply insert a small section of your hair into the guide slot. The auto curl detects your hair almost instantly. So you want to use the left direction slot for inward curls or the right direction slot for outward curls. And then the motor will automatically wrap your hair around the curler, and each curl will take about 15 seconds to make. So once the curl is done though, you'll hear 3 beeps and you'll know the curl is finished. And you just go ahead and repeat that throughout your entire head. And that's literally it. There's no wrapping, there's no guessing, there's no counting, and it's incredibly beginner friendly and super easy to do. Now, because it works so quickly, styling your entire head goes super fast. So it's quick, it's easy, and I also love how the Laifen AutoCurl gives my hair shine and volume thanks to its negative ion technology. So you can create so many different hairstyles with this, and you can do tighter curls, loose waves, or those beautiful voluminous Hollywood and 90s blowout styles. And just like Leifen's blow dryer, my hair always looks shinier and healthier after using it. So the curls hold really well, and as you can see, this is the end of the day and they're still looking beautifully, my curls here. So if you're like me and you're someone who loves effortless styling and wants beginner friendly tools, this is such a great option, and it helps your hair again to look smoother, shinier, healthier, and more polished. And one little tip I have is to brush out your curls after they've cooled, and that's what gives you that soft 90s blowout look. If you'd rather keep your curls more defined, simply separate them gently with your fingers or a wide tooth comb. And if you're after that classic salon blowout look, always brush them once the curls have cooled. And so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you today. I know personally having your hair done always makes you feel more polished and more confident, and I love being able to achieve these looks for myself at home because it's so much more affordable, it's so much easier, and it's really a lot of fun too once you get the hang of it. So I'll have everything that I mentioned from Leifen linked down below, and if you're looking for an easy Amazon beauty find, I'll link the Leifen AutoCurl and the vanity mirror down below, and if you'd like to check them out, just go ahead and click the link down below. So thank you so much for watching today, and let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you've already tried the AutoCurl. Do you love it as much as I do? And that's pretty much it though. I hope you are all doing good, and I will see you very soon.